Good evening, guys. This side Rahul Magan here as a Group Chief Executive Officer, Treasury Consulting, and also a venture capitalist. This video is shot on 5th August 2020, approximately 6:30 p.m. Singapore time. Yesterday night, when we shot our video on the gold outlook and we projected that gold turned out to be $2,000 per ounce, that did happen. Standing today at 6:30 p.m. Singapore timing, the gold is trading around $2,040 per ounce. And there is a wide probability that the gold might be ending up as $2,100 per ounce. But in this video, I would like to let you know few tactful reason behind why the movement in the gold will not reach 2,100, in a very fastest way, and it can even reach more than 2,100 in a fastest way. So this technically is known as breakout. Now breakout, I hope many people, those who are dealing in the equities, they know the meaning of breakout. Now what did happen, the virus is something which we all aware, and on 5th August when I'm speaking that the virus cases are growing almost every day over 250K per day, which means it is growing around 1 million after every fourth day. But now there is a different scene which is going in the US, and unfortunately this scene is now getting realistic. And I think I need to amend my word. It is not realistic, it is something which is right before us and it demands attention. But the unfortunate part is that the government of the United States of America is really not interested to take this point serious. And I really do not know whether how many of you remember, but 2 months ago there was an incident all of a sudden that had happened in the evening, whereby the treasury yields collapsed all of a sudden, and that led to the fall in the crude prices and New York Mercantile Index. I think that month contract went less than 50 cents, and it led to great havoc across the globe. In fact, in India also, MCX registered a heavy losses, and majority of the brokers registered heavy losses, and the tentative figure that we got is around over 1,000 crores. I think a similar kind of scenario is building up, and I'm really not sure when this is going to bubble up, but very soon. Like if I look at my Reuters terminal right away, which is 5th August, then the fifth year, which is the 5-year treasury yield, is trading around 0.20, which is just 20 bips. Guys, I'm talking about USA, which is AAA rated economy of the globe. So the 5-year, the treasury yield is trading at just 20 bips. It means that if I'm buying a treasury bond today, 5 year, then I will get just 20 bips. That's it, guys. And the situation is getting worsened when I look at the 10-year. The 10-year is around 53 bips, which means that the belly of the curve, I do not know how many of you understand belly of the curve, which is difference between 10 and 5. The value of the curve is just around 30 bips, and which is in our parlance is known as 10s over 5s. 10s over 5s at 30 bips, it's pretty warning signal. And the situation is more worse when I see the 30-year. The 30-year treasury yield is around 1.21%, which is historically low. I just wanted to let you know one thing via this video, because you know that Treasury Consulting is not like a media who always speak fake things. I just wanted to let you know one thing, and that is pretty straight and forward, is that a big mess is round the corner. But there is one, I would say, ray of hope at the end of the tunnel. And I really do not know how this ray of hope will shape up, because predicting that it's very difficult. And that ray of hope is the stimulus talk. Just now when we are talking, Mr. Munchin, who is a Treasury Secretary, and Mr. Liu, who is an ex-Treasury Secretary, they are hopeful that the stimulus talk between GOP, Dems means the Democrats, and Republicans will hold true. and it's tantamount to around, I would say, $1 trillion. Guys, my biggest issue is that from where we get $1 trillion. US debt crisis is looming at a fastest pace. Fitch has already warned US about the stimulus deal and the probable debt financing. And even if this stimulus talk turned true, getting this $1 trillion is something which is an uphill task, at least for me. Maybe Federal Reserve, whose balance sheet is now more than $7 trillion, they might be pushed by the presidency, Donald Trump, maybe by the White House, maybe by the respective people to print another $1 trillion, but I really don't think this is conducive. Having said that, even if the stimulus talks will come, and according to the Treasury Secretary Munchin, that the stimulus talk will be concluding by this week, it means that today when we are talking, we are having Wednesday. If he is saying it would be concluding by week, it may be Friday or it may be Saturday, I guess. So it means that in another 2 to 3 days, it would get concluded. It means that the scene is relatively tough because one side, the crude is slowly falling, and we all know the reason. Globally, all economies like Australia, London, Europe, Swiss, they all are facing a huge virus and they are locked down. While the Europe agreed to $750 billion of stimulus program, but from where they will get the money, that's again a big question. And now the biggest question is the treasury yield. And guys, I'm telling you, another 5-7 days are very critical for the world financial market. Because if US treasury curve collapse, and the probability of collapsing US treasury curve is unfortunately very high, and if it collapses, then guys, you even do not know, it will red all economies of the globe. Remember that when the US curve collapsed 2 months ago, the next day almost the whole Asia reported huge losses. So be careful. All the gold is trading at 2040, and I really do not think that the gold will easily touch 2100 as Munchin is saying. But once again, if Dems, GOP, and Republicans not agreed on a stimulus talk, then 2100 is not far as far as the gold is concerned. This is what we wanted to convey. This is our video on our app, over our Android app. If you need any link, you can WhatsApp us 9818485155 about our paid groups, about hedge fund programs, about hedge fund desk, about the various free reports which we are circulating every day. You can WhatsApp us 9818485155. But once again, before leaving, I would like to tell you one thing very clearly and upfront, which is that things are not moving in a way they're supposed to. From yesterday night till today evening, the gold has moved around $60 per ounce. And I will definitely not be surprised that if gold will touch around 2050 by the time US opens. So guys, alert and have a great day. This is about Treasury Consulting, and I'm Rahul Magan. There are a lot of action on the cards. Android app is up, and don't forget that now we are in action. Have a great time. Talk soon, guys.